Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. I'm back again with a new industry, with the new stocks to look out in the market. So today we will be discussing about the Indian chemical industry and I'll share my top 3 picks in this particular sector. Once again, let me remind you before starting the video, this video is not a recommendation that you should buy these stocks. Please do your own due diligence before investing in the stock market. So, the Indian chemical sector, yes, it is one of the fastest growing sector in the country from last 5 to 10 years. It is because there has been a huge rise in global demand for alkali chemicals and polymers. And the companies which are present in front of your screen, like Yasho Industries, Fine Organic, Deepak Nitrite, Aarti Industries, are some of the top multi-baggers who has given round about 1,000 plus returns in last 10 years only. India holds a strong position in exports and the imports of the chemical at a global level, due to which India is ranked 14th in all exports and 8th in the imports on a global level. The Indian chemical companies have been increasing their plant capacities to meet the global demand, and I believe this can sustain and continue in future as well. Now, if you're going to ask me, like, do I believe in this theory or do I believe that this market can rise up to 304 US billion dollars by financial year 2025? Then the answer is yes. Am I invested in this particular sector? The answer is yes. I believe that there is a huge growth potential in this particular sector, and the key reasons why I believe that this sector can grow in future is number one, there has been rise in demand from the end user. You talk about any industry today. You talk about food, you talk about hair and care, you talk about chemicals which are used in dyeing of your cloth material. Every industry demands for chemicals. So there is a huge opportunity out there in the market for the chemical companies. And one such reason comes from the China, because China government has imported restrictions on some of the chemicals due to the pollution issue, which again plays in the huge favor of Indian chemical industry, due to which they can capture more market. The small and the medium enterprises companies of chemical sector in last 5 to 10 years have been growing at the rate of 18 to 23%, which is likely to sustain in the future as well. So, not wasting much of your time, now let me disclose the stocks. The first stock in my list, and I am also invested in this particular stock, is Deepak Nitrite. Yes, Deepak Nitrite is the segment it caters to is phenolics and specialty chemicals, and they have been expanding their phenolics chemical exponentially. I invested in this particular stock with a price range of 350 rupees, and currently it stands at 1800 rupees. The market cap, you can see it's not a huge market cap. It's only 23,970 crores. They have 70% of the market share in sodium nitrate and nitrotoluene segment, as well as they have been expanding their phenolic business in the country. So let me tell you about the top clients for the Deepak Nitrite. You very well know Biocon, Reliance Industries, Aarti Industries, PI Industries, Atul, Lupin. These are like some of the prominent players who are or buying chemicals from the Deepak Nitrite. So the best thing about the company is almost debt free, and they have been producing good results in last 5 year, which makes it the best bet in the industry as of now. So you can see that Deepak Nitrite chart in front of you, and you can see the inception return on this particular stock. The stock reached at the price range of 3,000 rupees, and from there it started its downfall and it corrected well in last 1 year. Right now, it is trading at the level of 1800, which makes it a value buy because the crude prices are falling. And I believe that the falling crude prices can improve the margins of the chemical companies, due to which they are expected to give better results in coming years. So the next stock I'm going to talk about is Balaji Amines. Yes, the Balaji Amines Limited is a specialized manufacturing company, and they majorly play in methylamines, ethylamines, derivatives, and they are the industry leader in the products they make. They generate 60% of their revenue from this particular segment of amines. And one of the major reason why this particular company is growing is because China imported ban on amines production. So the market cap for this particular company is 10,000 crore approximate only. It's a very small company right now, and I believe that they have a potential to grow bigger and become a mid cap and eventually into a large cap stock. Currently, it is trading at the PE of 27.4, and the buying level for the particular segment is 2,800 to 3,000 rupees. This is a chart of Balaji Mines. You can see that it has grown exponentially in 2019 to 2021, and it has corrected well from the top levels, which makes it again a valuable buy right now because recently they have given their results, and the results were excellent despite the pressure of the crude oil, inflation, and everything in the market. The next stock I'm going to talk about is SRF Industries. Yes, SRF Industry is like one of the seasoned chemical stock present in the Indian market. It was established in 1970, and they have a diversified portfolio. So basically, they don't only caters into chemicals, but they also helps in packaging films, technical textiles, and coated and laminated fabrics, which again shows a huge potential in this particular stock because they are expanding their businesses, they are getting into new businesses, and they are getting more and more revenue. The major revenue comes from them is from chemical business, which is 43%, and then from packaging 40%. The company is already again a multi-bagger and is a consistent compounder since the beginning. It has been delivering and creating wealth for the investors. You can see that like since 2014, since 2008, it has a one-way uptrend. You can see that it has like minute downfalls in between, but it has always come up strong and creating wealth for the investors. So I believe like these are some of the finest stocks right out there in the market right now, and they are currently at the right price where you can start thinking about investing. Again, I have all the three stocks in my portfolio, and it's not a recommendation that you should buy these stocks too. I see growth in the coming times in these particular stocks, and I hope I was able to give you a brief overview of the chemical industry and the stocks as well. I hope, guys, you like the video. If so, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for such informative videos. Thank you.